Hi everyone, TR here. So today we have a pretty easy and quick algorithm that I found while making a turn. So it's about swapping edges. So you see these two are swapped and these two are swapped. So let's get started. So on the 7x7 we want to swap the third piece. So these two and these two. So we take all the rows with the one we want to swap from the right, like this, and we turn it twice. Now we do F2, followed by U2. The row we want to swap, we're going to turn it twice, only that row. U2, F2, and all the rows. So you see, those are swapped. So again, all the rows, F2, U2, the row twice, U2, F2, and all the rows. So another example, say we want to swap these two and these two. We take the rows, F2, U2, the row twice, U2, F2, and all the rows. And we see it's swapped. Thank you for watching.